In this video, I will teach you what a surd is. So, let's get right to it. A surd is the square root of a number that cannot be simplified into a whole or rational number. Examples of surds are square root of 2, square root of 3, and square root of 5. A surd is an irrational number because you cannot remove the square root sign without getting an irrational value. So for example, if we evaluate the square root of 5, we get this long irrational number. The difference between a surd and other square roots is that a surd cannot be simplified because the number inside the square root sign is not a perfect square. Other square roots can be simplified if the number inside the square root sign is a perfect square. So for example, root 7 is a surd because 7 is not a perfect square. Root 9 is not a surd because 9 is a perfect square. Now let me tell you some properties of surds. If a and b are integers, then the square root of a times the square root of b is equal to the square root of ab. So for example, root 2 times root 5 is equal to the square root of 2 times 5, which is equal to root 10. The square root of a divided by the square root of b is equal to the square root of a over b. So for example, if we have square root of 14 divided by square root of 2, that gives us the square root of 14 over 2, which gives us root 7. Square root of a times the square root of a is equal to the square root of a squared, which is equal to a. So for example, root 7 times root 7 is equal to the square root of 7 squared, which gives 7. I hope that everyone has learnt from this video. If you have learned from this video, please leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.